Woke up to find all your files renamed with a FLOYD extension? This is a serious situation. Your data has been encrypted by ransomware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through the critical steps to assess your options and attempt recovery. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the FLOYD format. Details below. FLOYD files are documents, photos, and other data that have been encrypted by the FLOYD ransomware strain. The original file contents are scrambled using encryption algorithms, and the extension is appended to indicate the files are being held for ransom by the malware operators. FLOYD files are documents, photos, and other data that have been encrypted by the FLOYD ransomware strain. The original file contents are scrambled using encryption algorithms, and the extension is appended to indicate the files are being held for ransom by the malware operators. In most cases, FLOYD files work best with none malware, created by unknown. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows cannot reveal the underlying information, so decoding software must be used. We are checking the installed software landscape. Right-click your FLOYD file and choose Open With. Test None Malware first if installed. If not, select another application. Often, a lesser-known tool works perfectly. If the FLOYD file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, do not pay the ransom. Disconnect the infected computer from all networks immediately to prevent further spread. Do not pay the ransom, as payment does not guarantee decryption and funds criminal operations. Document the ransom note contents and any displayed wallet addresses, then report the incident to law enforcement and IC3Gov. Next, scan and remove the malware. Boot into safe mode and run a full system scan with Malwarebytes or a reputable antivirus tool to remove the FLOYD ransomware executable and all associated components. Removing the malware prevents further encryption but does not decrypt already affected files. Quarantine all detected threats. Finally, attempt file recovery. Check nomoreransom.org for any available FLOYD decryption tools released by security researchers. Restore files from offline backups or cloud backup services that maintain version history. Use shadow copy recovery tools like Shadow Explorer to check for Windows volume shadow copies that predate the infection. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.